Hello everyone. Have you been working with autistic individuals older than 8 years old? As a therapist, I have plenty of experience, and I can share with you, and I think you may have the same feeling, that there are a lot of difficulties explaining to them what's happening around them in terms of things and people. Over the therapy, experience I did have, I have been searching a lot of approaches and finding better ways to work with them. And it is no easy. Well, I stopped my search until I finally met Ron Davis, who is a severely autistic person. He explains to me what is happening in him and how he started to understand things around him and how he would be able to be what he wants to be now and to participate fully in life. Despite he is now in his 80s, he has been working and still working very hard to help a lot of people who are like him to come out from that chaos and to fulfill what they want themselves to fulfill. And so throughout these years, he has been trying to pass on to his knowledge, his tools, his methodologies to parents, family members, educators, and therapists who would be willing to help autistic individuals. And his goal is simple: to help those who are like him, as many as possible. And I am deeply moved by what he has been doing over all these years. And so today I'm happy to share with you what I've learned from him. In the coming August, from 3rd to 7th, I will be organizing an online workshop called The Life Concepts for Autism. This is a 5-day workshop hoping to give you all the knowledge and the tools to work with autistic individuals. You will be able to find more information through this link here. And in a few days' time, I will be uploading another 1-hour video about Davis' autism approach, and hope that this will give you more understanding about what the approach is about. So stay tuned.